Oh, what do you say? Welcome to my channel. My name is Anaya, and Mama's right here. So Mama is saying hi. Hi, guys. And now let me do my makeup now. Mama. Okay. I have here the glitter sparkly. So Mama, where I put it? I'm gonna put it on myself. That's the glitter. Boop, boop, boop. I like purple and blue. Boop, boop. And look beautiful. I choose that one too.
Okay.
Now I have here my purple. Now I'm gonna put it down here. Now laugh at me. Now laugh at me.
I'm not.
Now laugh at me.
Okay, I'm not. Sorry.
Now have another purple.
You're laughing, see?
And that's really, I was laughing like that.
Oh, so cute.
I don't want to rinse away. So next, I'm gonna choose the white glitter. I mean the brown glittery.
Okay. Eyes closed.
Wait, I can't see the camera.
Eyes closed. Just close your eyes. Oh, very beautiful. See, you did a good job, Anaya.
I know.
Go to second eyes. Close.
I can't see.
Yeah, I can see.
Wait, now move my neck. I did it. Nothing cool. Okay, wait 1 second. I know how to do it now.
Okay.
Now I know how to make. Welcome, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you big thumbs up, if you like my eyes.
Make sure subscribe.
Make sure you like my video and thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and subscribe. And done, guys, but I'm not gonna say bye-bye, but I am almost done. I mean, I'm not almost done, but my head is curly.
Not to your head, your hair.
My hair, I mean. But my eyes is weird. And my eyes like this.
Okay, so bye.
But I'm not done. But no, I'm not done. But I hope you like this video and a big thumbs up. And bye-bye.